God, I hope no one smells it. Oh, God, I hope no one smells this. Stinks so bad.
RCXD ready for deployment.
I think I'll go sit behind this crate, stare at this wall with my little red dot. Man, something smells like TGI Fridays. What the fuck was that? Huh? I think I heard something. Hey, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Take that.
Grenade. Grenade again. Run away!
Hey, brothers. I'm from Canada, eh? I'm gonna sit behind this box, eh? Pretty cold out. Beautiful Canadian day, huh?
Hey, I'm back. Oh, there's no one here.
Oh, hey, neighbor. I don't mean you any harm. How are you?
Fire. Grenade. Grenade again. And no action here. Oh well, I'll come back in a minute. Where is everybody? Let's go back out here and see what I can find. Still nobody.
I hope nobody knows that I'm moving paws over here.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, guys.
Hi.